1A2, 1C, 1B, and 1 class assembly. We want to tell you all about
Vesak Day.
Jesus Day. It was his birthday.
The PMS's or separate day is I love you.
Kindness, peace, and understanding. Values that we can all share. No matter what we believe. But there was a teacher. When I realized that happiness wasn't about riches, it came from helping others and finding peace inside.
On Vesak Day, Buddhists try to follow Buddha's kind teaching.
They do kind acts, whether they're big or small. On Vesak Day, many Buddhists go to temples early in the morning to pray and listen to Buddhist teaching.
Buddhists wear white clothes because white is a symbol for peace and purity.
They offer flowers, light incense, and say two prayers to show respect to Buddha. Buddhists make lanterns and flags for Vesak Day out of bamboo sticks and tissue paper. They also light candles and lamps, and the light shows the way to goodness. We made some beautiful lanterns. And we also make beautiful lotus flowers. And Buddhist flags. As part of our celebration, Buddhists also make flags.
The flag is made out of different colors. Each color has a different meaning.
The flags have 6 bands of color. They represent 5 colors of world dark, green, and light. Without doubt, that one of the most important things is kindness in life. Us to be kind to others and also to us to be kind to ourselves. He told us how to meditate, which helps our body and brain feel calm. Let's all close our eyes and meditate while listening to this piece of music. Remember to breathe in and out slowly. How can show kindness to others? When we help others, it makes them happy and it makes us happy too. Kindness can be simple as give someone a big smile. Just listening to someone when they feel sad or saying something kind to a friend. But we don't have to wait for Vesak Day to be kind. We can do kindness every day. At home, you can help your family or tidy it without being asked. If someone hurts something, you can help them. You can share the toys at school with your friends. You can invite someone to play with you and you can say thank you to your teachers and friends. When we are kind to each other, we feel happy too. The kangaroo. Yeah. No shoe. You got shoe. Shoe. Oh. Did I like a tiny Yeah, you got a smile too. You're gonna win with this. You just got the wrong card. This is red card. See? You put it here. And blue goes. Ah. Everything goes this one and you can add some 2 pairs. That's no way. Yes. Here are poems about kindness. Kindness is shared my favorite toy. It brings me smile, it brings me joy. Kindness is saying please and thank you when helping a friend who's feeling blue. Kindness is hugging my teddy bear and showing I care. Kindness makes the world so bright, like little stars that shine at night. In our class, we make kindness count.
wrote kind messages to our friends and families.
We drew pictures.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me, not 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you.
We drew pictures from our kindness walk. We also helped each other and shared our toys. Let's practice kindness every day, not just on Vesak Day. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from the nice warm bed, we just remember what your old house said. Oh, you got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. You got troubles. I got them too. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together and can see it through. But you got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me. Let's all be kind, calm, and caring. We hope you're peaceful and happy today.
Thank you for watching 1C, 1D and 1 2J Assembly.